Receive email notifications when new appointments are made in Brisk Appointment. Receive an email notification when an appointment is made with your business from your booking portal. To enable notifications, go to Settings, click Online Booking or Portal tab, and enable Send Notification to Business Email. Then click Save. To notify the assigned staff, go to the Appointment tab. Enable Send Email to Bookable when an appointment is made. Then click Save. Continue watching for more details on receiving email notifications for newly booked appointments in Brisk Appointment. Email notifications help keep your business, staff, and clients informed about appointment activities. You can choose who receives notifications and when, ensuring everyone stays updated. Your business can automatically receive an email whenever a client books an appointment through the online booking portal. To enable this, go to the Settings page, open the Online Booking or Portal tab, and turn on Send Notification to Business Email. Once activated, the business email will receive a notification each time a booking is made. If you want the assigned staff member or service provider, also known as the bookable, to be notified when an appointment is assigned to them, go to Settings page, open Appointment tab. On the Email Notifications section, enable Send Email to Bookable when an appointment is made. This ensures that the bookable staff is immediately informed whenever they receive a new appointment. Please note that emails can only be sent if your account has been verified, so make sure your verification is complete to allow notifications to go through. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.